Mailbag 45-ish. Some stuff from Digikey and from AliExpress. Let's get rid of the AliExpress one right off the bat. There's not going to be too many more of these for a while. Ooh, that's close. We've got a postal strike going right now. And since AliExpress delivers most of the stuff through the post office, guess what? There's not going to be too many packages. Currently, I've got 3 orders in the system, so I'm not going to be seeing that stuff for a while. So let me just bring these up here. These are USB-C to A converters. Just to add to the rest of the cables I have. I'll try them out. Right off the bat, I think these are charge. Oh no, they've got more than 2 pins. But I'll try them out and probably put in the comments what they're good for, if anything. Now, the big box. This box, I ordered the stuff on a Sunday at middle of the afternoon, and it arrived here on Tuesday. 2-day shipping. Oops, don't hit that too hard. That's not too bad. Now let me just get the piece of paper. That out of the way. Our standard lots of paper packaging. Oh, actually, it's not too bad packaging. And that's it. So, got an assortment of stuff here. Well, I'm going to start with this one. And I scored some nice plastic bags. So, let's see. Good, no tape. And do we like to hear that sound? You got headphones on. Oh, I should have said if you have headphones on, you might want to pull them away from your ears. Sorry about that. Worked with one guy in Calgary, and he, as soon as bubble wrap got near him, he was popping it. So I picked up 2 of these speakers. Their names are, or part numbers, are WSP-5090-4. They're 4 ohm, 10 watt speakers. Maximum is 12 watts, 0 to 20 hertz. I'll stick the specs up in a corner around here. Oh, this is what they look like. They're actually marked positive and negative. I've been doing more stuff with audio, even though I've been told I'm tone deaf. But we'll see how these go. They should be nice, because currently the only speakers I have is this one, which you may have seen in a previous video, and this one that looks like the mice got to it. Now, I do have some with built-in amplifiers, of course, but and the big one that went into the trunk of the car. So, 2 of these, and along the same trend here, I'll just leave those ones wrapped up. More speakers. 5 of these. Oh, these ones here were $7.53 a piece. And here we go. Nicely marked, positive and negative. So these ones here are CDS-5026-54E. Another 4-ohm speaker, 5 watts, maximum 6 watts. They were $5.10 a piece. These ones are apparently good up to 20 kilohertz. This one here is good up to 15 kilohertz. And that's all wasted on me because once you get past about 12 kilohertz, I can't hear it. Too many years of driving with the window down. So any specs I have, I'll stick up there. And at whatever time's over there, I'll hook them up to my old function generator and see how they sound. So let me just get these out of the way. And the next item. Let's look at these capacitors. 22 microfarad. I'll put the specs up in the corner there. What do I have about these? Oh, 16 volts. 15 cents a piece. But I have lots of capacitors, so why did I buy these? I want to test the ones that I bought from AliExpress and maybe eBay and a few other places against ones that have a pedigree. Now let's see if I can. I'll zoom up one of these and stick it in the corner there. It's just basically I want to start. I might have to delete that word. Testing of the components to see what difference it makes between the cheap stuff and the good stuff, or at least the expensive stuff. Now next, since it's sitting on top of the other one, we have a wall wart. I have lots of wall warts, except I didn't have one with enough current. So this part here is, it's a KTPS 36-120- or maybe 300 WA, a whole bunch of other stuff. I'll put it in the corner there. It's 12 volts out, if you can see that. Otherwise I'll put a picture in the corner. 12 volts out, 3 amps. This is for my W1209 thermostat, not all the same project. We've got winter now, and the other one didn't have a high enough ampage, so I'm going to have to use this for heating my shut-off valve. So that's that. And there's supposed to be 2 more items. That's only 1. Oh, crap. I guess you have to check the packing material. Okay. We have 2 packages. Okay. There was 2 items missing. I'll pull these up. Let's see if I can. If you can see it, otherwise I'll stick it in the corner. These I picked up, oops, 5 of them. I'll put the price in the corner. I can't remember what it is. These are CD4521BEs. I'll put the function diagram up there, the pinout up there. It's for a very specific project. It's a 24-stage frequency divider, 20 volt rating. I saw an article that said you can actually simulate the heart for doing tests on ECGs, and you can do it with this. So I figured I'd try it out. Oh, they included on that damn 10-minute mark on the camera. And I'll include the from the data sheet they had two circuits for setting up the timing on it. One RC oscillator and one crystal oscillator. But on to the next package, which is come on, open up. Something I dread, absolutely dread. I needed to round out the order, so I bought some of these. I'll put the data sheet over here. And just 1 second. It is the SC1631 Raspberry Pi Pico 2 with the RP23. Oh, there you go. Setup. And I'll put a picture in the corner there. I haven't done too much with these. This has got 2 UARTs, 2 SPI controllers, 2 I2C controllers, 24 pulse width modulation channels, 1 USB, and 12 PIOs, and I know nothing about those. But I figured I needed to round out this order. Might as well get some of these. Apparently they're going to be in production until 2040, I believe they said. So, on to the next. Oh boy, I got lots of bags now. I picked up a robot kit. I saw it and I was like, that's interesting. I have no idea about this thing other than it needs one battery and you put it together. There we go. Oh, good. Looks like it even came with instructions. Spider robot. They apparently sell a whole bunch of add-ons for this to make it smart, and sensors, etc. Ooh, maybe these will come in handy. It comes with basically one motor, and that's going to be driving all of these legs. So, it should be interesting to put together on a nice cold winter night here. It's not that cold. I've lived in worse parts of Canada. But that's it for this thing. Let's see if there's anything else. My crib notes say it's from dfrobot.com. Uses 1.2 volt battery. And that's about all they said. Oh, it was $9.35. So, that's about it. Nice little haul, especially for the audio stuff that I'm going to be trying. And yes, I will eventually build my own amplifier circuit for it. So, have a good day. See you later. Bye. Knew I forgot something. About 400 hertz. About 1600 hertz. And here's the other one at 1600 hertz. No, at 1100 hertz. 1600 hertz. And 400 hertz. So they sound good.